With 60, Kuya Arthur.
Art, 60th birthday. Yeah, happy birthday.
Or I can come, pero maybe one of these days, pwede akong pumunta sa bahay mo sa Sydney or sa Australia. Okay.
Alright.
Fun.
Okay, bye.
Mahalo. Bye.
Mahalo, bye.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Arthur. Miss you and your wife and your kids. I miss all of you, even you at Minette. I miss everyone, and I love you guys.
Kuya Art, happy birthday!
Hello, Kuya Art! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ninong Art! Happy birthday, Ninong Art! Happy birthday, Ninong Art! Happy birthday, Ninong Art!
Happy birthday, Art!
From your family in the Philippines, happy birthday!
Hi Art, happy birthday, 60th. Welcome to the Young Hearts Club. Enjoy your day. Sarap ng birthday mo. Kasama mo kami. Social, Hawaii pa. Alright, sige mate. Enjoy your day.
Art, happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the club. I want to thank you for all the support that you've given our family, for being a responsible brother and a great father figure for Jeng and Anthony. Siguro yung mga unforgettable event na natatandaan ko was when you walked down the aisle on our wedding, like the four of us Chuchis, and like also Jeng's graduation. Pag kailangan ng tatay, ikaw yung nandun. So, I wish you all the best on your 60th. Enjoy. And I'm looking forward to more reunions and travel. And more celebration. We love you. Happy birthday.
Hello, Arthur. Welcome to Hawaii. Welcome to America again. We're happy to see you again. And enjoy your company on your birthday celebration.
Hi Art! Happy birthday! Happy 60th birthday! Excited na kami lahat para mag-enjoy, mag-party-party.
So we have this video that we would like to share with you with regards to, first of all, our experience, a memorable experience that we had with you the past years that we've been together.
Yeah, ang di ko nakakalimutan, syempre yung bata pa tayo noon. Ito yung kumakanta pa rin tayo ng Killing Me Softly. Wala tayong problema noon, pakanta-kanta lang. Saka minsan hindi ka pumapasok kasi hindi ako pumapasok. Bakit natatakot ka yata sa ikam?
Well, sa akin naman is during the time na nagpunta kami sa Australia to visit you, we're so grateful kasi you took care of us. Yung karaoke nights natin and also the friends that you invited to meet with us, yung mga inuman, yung mga pulutan na kinain natin, those are the things na memorable sa amin. Also, when you come visit us here in America, nagpunta ka dito sa Las Vegas, tsaka yung time na umattend tayo ng wedding ni Maui sa Seattle, you know, those are the memorable experience that we have with you.
And your dance moves. Sana meron ako nun. At saka,
well, you have a lot of characteristic na we wish we had. Kagaya ng yung outgoing mo, palabiro ka parate, you make us smile, you make us laugh, you're always the life of the party. Especially pagdating sa sayawan, nangunguna ka.
Oo. Tsaka you're a cool guy. Sabi nga, laging tumatawag ka sa akin noon, lalo nung nagkasakit ako, tsaka na-depress ako. You always call me just to give me advice. at patawanin ako. Naiyak na ako. I love you, Art. Happy birthday. I wish you nothing but the best. Sana, like good health for all of us. At saka mahabang buhay para maka-attend pa tayo ng 60th birthday ni Anthony. I love you and stay young.
Well, we're happy and looking forward to this celebration kasi alam namin it's gonna be fun. Magsasaya naman tayo, inuman na naman, pulutan, may mga drama-drama naman kayo, may mga journey. Well, hopefully this will be recorded again in one of our memories. Okay, so nice to see you soon.
So long.
Salamat. Bye.
To a brother not like other, Art, happiest birthday to you. We wish you many, many birthdays to come. We're very excited to celebrate this with all the family coming together in Hawaii for the 60th birthday. So along the siblings, our kids, and of course our cousins, nieces, and nephews. The only true story about Art I can forget is the story entitled Anong Sabi ni Angge. What it is when my classmate Angge came to our house from the school, Ecam, and saw my kuya, and that's Art, asked, "Is that your kuya? Ang pogi naman!" Anyway, so every time I see you, Art, and everyone, I'd always remind you of this, and so you will say, "Anong sabi ni Angge?" So that's a really true story, and it's kind of like your signature greeting from me. But truly, seriously, I thank you for being being the best brother to us. Not only you assume most of the responsibilities, after Tatay passed, but most of all, taking care of Nanay. Thank you for all your sacrifices you've done for our family. Napasin ko na papogi ka for this year, 60th birthday. Oh, diba? And not only good-looking, responsible person you are, I'd say there's no dull moment with you. Mapainuman, kainan, kwentuhan, or kahit saan, you've never run out of stories and will be like laughing after. Anyway, we always see a big smile on everyone's face, and to all the love and laughters, thank you, and we love you so much. Many blessings of good health, happiness, family time, and wish you and all more travels, vacation, peace of mind at lahat-lahat na. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Art!
The most unforgettable event or moment I had with Kuya. I think there were many, but out of the many times that we were together, I think yung pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan is yung nagbenta siya ng sample kasi kailangan ko magbayad ng tuition fee that next day sa UST PT. So that's because we needed the money and he had to do something to support me. So yun ang hindi ko makakalimutan, and I'm thankful to you, Kuya, for helping me, and Anthony most especially for being our father figure. You were such a great father figure, and I'm sure your kids appreciate that you're the best dad there is. So thank you. And then so the one character that I wish that I could have or I could become like Kuya is his patience and his resilience and his ability to laugh it off and making sure that everyone around him doesn't feel stressed and everyone around him is happy. And another thing is his yung galing maglinis ng bahay. I wish I could be like that. Kaya yun lang. Okay, my happy birthday, Kuya. I wish you all the best. I wish you the best of health, peace of mind. I wish you happiness. I wish you 100 more years, if that's even possible. I love you. We love you. Thank you again for all that you have done for me and for the whole family. You're like my dad, my tatay. So I just wish you to be healthy and happy and less stress para hindi ka magkasakit, so you can enjoy your apos eventually and enjoy more travels and enjoy your everyday. Okay, happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Kuya. I hope you're having a great time. I know we're just recording this, but I've been trying to compose in my mind what I wanted to tell you. Maraming unforgettable moments ikaw with me. When you helped me move sa college, dun sa apartment, knowing that you guys are going or moving. But you helped me para maging steady, you know, like you made sure that there's a place for me, and I thank you for that. Yung paghatid mo sa akin sa school, sa Jasams, when like especially during the first year when we moved to Quezon City after Nanay died, that was memorable for me. Pakiramdam ko na alagaan mo ko mabuti, which you have always done. You know, ang dami kong gustong sabihin sa'yo kung ano yung memorable. Pero one thing that sticks with me is kahit anong event or kahit anong nangyayari, the way you ask me if I'm okay, that what sticks to my mind. There's a sense of reassurance that you are there for me, and it makes me calm. I try to be as strong as you are, because I treat you as one of my role models. You've always been a good father figure to me, and that's one thing that, you know, I try to emulate, as if you can put it that way. You always make sure lahat kami, hindi lang ako, even Kathy, even Alec, you always ask about us. And with just a simple question, it calms me, and it tells me that you are there for me and for us, and I really love you for that. Just that simple question, it really reassures me of how good you are as a brother to me, and I'm always thankful for that. I've always loved about how responsible you are. Lagi mong minimake sure na nagagawa mo yung role mo as a big brother. And I know the amount of pressure you had. Probably I don't know, but you know, like trying to hear from the stories, the amount of pressure you had, I'm sure mabigat yun. But you willingly took on the responsibility, and hindi ko yun makakalimutan kahit kailan. And like what I told you multiple times, I love you. We love you so much, and thank you for everything that you do for us.
Kuya, happy birthday. I wish you're having a great time here in Hawaii. Thank you for always being sweet to us, to me, for always trying to para acknowledge yung mga nagawa ko or ginagawa ko sa family. Ayun. And years ago, I felt that I really had your back. So, thank you for that. Alam mo na yun kung ano yun. And, yeah. I love you. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, we love you!
Happy birthday, Tito Art!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wait, what are you supposed to say after that?
I don't know.
Alright. Happy birthday, Tito Arthur. Hey, Tito Arthur. I just wanted to say happy 60th birthday. Hope you have a good one. Good to see you, and cheers.